Hi guys, welcome back to another market review video. Today is July 1st, 2022, and today we're going to be talking about SIL, the Global X Silver Miners ETF. The Global X Silver Miners ETF seeks to provide investment results that correspond generally to the price and yield performance before fees and expenses of the Selective Global Silver Miners Total Return Index, SILGLOSI. The fund invests at least 80% of its total assets in the securities of an underlying index, and the American Depository Receipts and Global Depository Receipts, based on the securities in the underlying index. The underlying index is designed to measure broad-based equity market performance of global companies involved in the silver mining industry. The fund is non-diversified. The category is materials. The sector is silver miners. This fund came into being April 19, 2010. The fund managers are Nam Tu, Wayne Z, Kimberly Chan, Vanessa Yang, Sandy Liu, William Helm, and the website is listed below. The Prospectus Principal Investment Strategies. The fund invests at least 80% of its total assets in the securities of the Selective Global Silver Miners Total Return Index and in American Depository Receipts and Global Depository Receipts, based on the securities in the underlying asset. The fund also invests at least 80% of its total assets in the securities of companies that are economically tied to the silver mining industry. Companies that are economically tied to the silver mining industry include those engaged in silver mining and/or closely related activities such as exploration and refining. Prospectus Principal Investment Risks. At the top of the list is asset class risk. Securities and other assets in the underlying index or otherwise held in the fund's portfolio may underperform in comparison to the general securities market, a particular securities market, or other asset classes. Prospectus risks continued: capitalization risk, commodity exposure risk, currency risk, foreign security risks, market risk, operational risk, and more. SIL Current Stats as of July 1st. It has a current market price of $25.90. It is currently 33.22% down below its 200 moving day average of 35.18. It has a 52-week trading range between 25.10 at the low end and 43.96 at the high end. It has a total asset or market capitalization of $930 million. It has a net expense ratio of 0.65%, a 1-month return of negative 7.49%, a year-to-date return of negative 17.18%, and a negative 1-year return of negative 36.66%, and it is options enabled. SIL Performance is measurement of cash flow. The distribution yield is the measurement of cash flow paid by an exchange-traded fund, real estate investment trust, or another type of income-paying vehicle. Rather than calculating the yield based on the aggregate of distributions, the most recent distribution is annualized and divided by the net asset value of the security at the time of payment. SIL has a distribution yield of 1.92%. It has a price-to-earnings ratio of 20.28. SIL has an annual dividend yield of 1.85. Has an ex-dividend date of June 29, 2022. It has a 60-month beta of 1.33 and an implied volatility of 40.4%. SIL Top 10 Holdings. SIL holds 10 companies in total. Number 1 being Wheaton Precious Metals at 24.02%, Pan America Silver at 11.39%, SSR Mining at 9.7%, Fresnillo PLC at 5.69%, Korea Zinc Co. Ltd. at 5.48%, Buenaventura ADR at 4.35%, Hecla Mining at 3.96%, Industrious Penol at 3.8%, First Majestic Silver at 3.6%, Mag Silver Corp at 3.52%. SIL Geographic Footprint. SIL is exposed to mining companies in Canada at 66.6%, the United States 8.4%, Britain at 7.6%, South Korea at 6%, Peru at 5.9%, Mexico at 4.1%, Australia at 1.3%, and Chile at 0.1%. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. Do not take anything on YouTube as financial advice. Do your own research, consult a professional investment advisor before making any investment decisions. My YouTube analysis is for entertainment purposes only. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below about your thoughts on SIL. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next market review.